Welcome to Ruijie Vietnam News. Ruijie Vietnam Modular is a representative office of Qingdao Ruijie plastic machinery in Vietnam, which is special provided its chosen equipment in plastic industry and its production lines. In May 2021, Ruijie Vietnam Company and Wilson Group signed a contract to supply SPC flooring production line, especially nano-wall panel production line, stone plastic wall panel machine, and grid wall board wall panel production line. In July, all 8 production lines were installed, adopted and technology transfer at Wilson factory, which is located in Hòa Bình province.
员工你好，这里现在就安装枪法生产线，你可以注意一下这里的基础设施和其他的设备，在不久的将来能满足生产的能力吗？
可以。现在这边的安装调试工作已经完成，客户现在已经在正常生产了。虽然在这疫情期间这边客户跟我们配合的都相当好，配合都相当到位。安装这边这个调试速度都非常快，在这里感谢客户的积极配合，谢谢。
With a team of senior technical experts in the field of plastic industry at domestic and abroad, we are constantly improving technology, updating the most modern production techniques, giving customer great satisfaction.
Chúng tôi đã kết hợp cùng với đội ngũ nhân viên kỹ thuật của bên Ruijie trong những ngày đầu, nhanh chóng lắp đặt hệ thống và đưa hệ thống đi vào sản xuất. Sản phẩm của bên Ruijie đáp ứng được nhu cầu sản xuất và chất lượng sản phẩm của bên chúng tôi tin tưởng vào chất lượng của bên Ruijie.
Customers coming to Ruijie Vietnam are always served from the installation, operation, testing, transferring production technology, helping enterprise to save energy, creating quality product, high quantity and added value, low cost, competitive in domestic and foreign markets. After many years of operation in the field of plastic industry based on the global market platform, we have strived for the satisfaction of domestic and foreign customers, gaining a good reputation for quality product and services. Thanks for listening.